What's up, guys? Got a quick video for you today. Got 5 more dollar store packs. Just gonna open them up real quick, see if we get anything good. Yeah. One-handed. The best. And only one-handed card pack opener on all of the YouTubes. Special charge. Rufflet. Amoonguss. Starting off this pack, so it looks like a Foongus. Amoonguss. Alright, we got Braviary. There's our Foongus. Play ball. And for our rare, we got a Mega. Or no, that's just a regular. A Gardevoir EX. Yeah. Full art too. That is really nice. Look how pretty that is. Awesome. And we also got a kitty. Look at the kitty. Still got 3 packs to go. See if we can pull anything else. Driftbloom. Meowth. And a Marill. That'll go well with our Azumarill we pulled a couple videos back. Got 2 left. 2 packs. See if we get anything else. Nidorino. There's a regular Marill. And a reverse Seedot. Shiny. Alright, last pack. Let's see if we get anything else. Armor Fossil Shieldon. Apom. And a Yanma. Alright. So that concludes our quick little video. Just to go over the good stuff what we got here. We got a Marill and Seedot reverse. But the best is the Gardevoir EX full art. And that is our video for today, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you did, like, subscribe, share the video. Tell all your friends. Tell your grandma. Tell your daddy. It's okay. Tell everybody. Even tell your kitties if you got kitties. Alright. You guys take care. Have a good day.